kitty. Okay. And here we go. So I'm riding my bike to the corner. Yep. Back to the corner. Gotta get me some snacks. Okay, almost halfway to Circle K. So yeah, first video, sorry about that. Just that, you know, I want to start out with something like something boring to work my way into something exciting. So yeah. Yes, so yeah. I don't want to make anything like boring for you guys, you know? Like, I don't want to start off like a boring asshole and not post a lot of exciting things. Because just for you guys to know, exciting things when you post them on your first video on YouTube, really exciting things, well, in like your last like a couple weeks of fame and you post something more exciting, you're gonna get less views, less subscribers. So, just putting that out there. So, yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with some, like 2 or 3 videos of boring stuff. Me just riding around, bike stuff. Then after there's 2 or 3 videos, I'm going to do some fun stuff like Minecraft videos on my 360, Xbox Live glitches, Microsoft glitches, drawing, stop motion animation. Pretty much everything really cool. Well, in my head, hopefully in yours too. So sorry for the noise. I have to raise my voice. And yeah, because there's a lot of cars near me. So yeah, a lot of cars. Sounded like a New Yorker or whatever. So yeah, so My videos will be like super funny and crap. So yeah. Almost to Circle K. Okay. I don't know how to lock up my bike. And plus, I've lost my lock, so if somebody tries to steal it. I'm a really fast runner, and I'm a 5th degree black belt, so take them down. Oh yeah, and yeah, shout out to all my classmates, and definitely a shout out to Roman. He's always been there for me. So yeah, Roman, if you're watching this, thanks a lot for everything you helped me through, my YouTube and stuff. It inspired me. So yeah.